Hello and welcome. Hope you're preparing well for our next challenge. So today's video is a bit different than the previous videos. Do we really need that much of ReactJs developers or what? In this video, I'm going to discuss about the current situation of React and the pace companies are following to hire the ReactJs developers. I have some good stats available with me. So I will be showing those stats and let's discuss and let's see what is going to happen with the ReactJs development and the industry. This I'm not sure what is coming as the conclusion, but we will mutually find it out. And I'm making this video because right now companies, websites, job portals, everyone is just talking about the React.js development, and it is not just happening for 1 and 2 weeks, it is happening since months. As because I'm also taking React.js interviews for the candidates who are fresher and experienced as well. I don't know how many projects are company taking for the React, and everything is just going to be seems like developed into the React only. Okay, so that made me turn thrice as well. What is going to happen after 1 and 3 and 5 years? Is there something else is going to happen? Who will be getting the job, or the existing React developers will be maintaining those projects which are being developed into React? Or what will happen to the students or maybe the professionals who are starting with the React.js development? Do we really need that much of React.js developers or what? Let's find out in this video. What we can find, we will be discussing in the comments as well. So do not forget to show what you think in the comments, and let's discuss what is going to happen and what is happening right now with the React, especially who are heavily using React. The name includes Uber, Airbnb, Facebook, Netflix, Pinterest, Shopify, Instagram, Amazon, Udemy. And this list is so huge. You can see more than 100,000 companies are using React, okay, including these prominent names. Now let's move to the next stat, which is from the Stack Overflow developer survey. They launch it annually, and from here let's search React, and we can see React this year. React.js surpassed jQuery as most commonly used web framework. You can see from the professional developers tab, you can see this 41% are using React, okay, and this is the response from 49,000 people. Now let's see next thing about React. So if you can see, this is the most wanted like library. You see React.js, which is 25%, and the responses is coming from 67,000 people. So if you don't know about this Stack Overflow developer survey, this is annually launched, and they ask every developer to fill the information in this survey. So this is not filled by any normal user as it's supposed to be. This is all from developers and like technical people, okay, because this is a kind of a technical survey. And now let's move to other area. Let's see their repository, okay. So in the repository, you can see there are 37.3 thousand folk in this, and the star is 183,000. You cannot believe that this is going so huge. Now let's compare the Angular. You see Angular is just having 79 or maybe 80,000 stars only. So there should be something really amazing. That's why this is getting so much of popularity. Fine, now let's move to other area. So let's see what it says. These are the number of jobs. You can see 3,524 jobs, and I'm not sure, I haven't filtered anything here, no location, nothing, but it is just randomly coming. And the salary you can see is like 100,000 to 120,000, and this is the range. This can vary, okay. Now let's move to the popularity, okay. I just Google like React.js popularity, and what came out is that React is one of, if not the most popular JavaScript framework. According to Stack Overflow 2020 surveys, React ranked 2 in the most popular. Let's see how many people are using React. I think I have Googled it somewhere. Yeah, is in demand. So React is one of the most demanding framework in the market, with the 31% worldwide specialists are currently utilizing this technology. Some of the world's top tech teams use tool to design scalable, easy to maintain solutions like Netflix, PayPal, eBay, Airbnb, and whatnot. This is keep on going, okay. Now let's see one another thing which I opened here. Yeah, this website, this just shows something. So it is showing the popularity over the Stack Overflow trends, which is coming like React.js is at the top. You can see the graph is going so high, This is no coming back home. Okay, this is no coming back home for this graph. This is keep on going, and you can imagine how long and how it can go. Loved swelled popularity is React with the 40%, Angular is 22%, Vue is 18, Angular JS is 11, Swell is 2%. You can see the popularity, and we always go with the popularity. Loved is 71%, which is really exceptional, and we should be taking care of this, because if we are into React, I think that we should be also getting into the Svelte. I don't know much about Svelte, but definitely I will be getting into Svelte as well. That's going to be my next to do thing. I think this is the this is Zips Recruiter. I don't know why I thought it was just a point like ReactJs, and I got to know these are the opportunities. So you can see React is good, okay, and React is in demand. Lots of companies are using React, and they are keep on using. Developers like it, most wanted language. I'm not sure whether it is going to be uh, vanish so soon, because the companies who are already using React, build the project into React, they would be needing people who can maintain the project they have developed into React, and that can be a huge opportunity area for the people who are just still coming to learn React, and they are already into React. So that's how these texts are, and I think you are smart enough to check all these by yourself. If you do not comment me, I will share these links with you. Alright guys, conclusion is up to us. What do we think? But thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like and share this video, and don't forget to express your views. What do you think? And suggest me some topics if you want to cover. I will be doing my best to do that. All the best, because it takes efforts. You can see the timeline here. You can see this is the editing required in this. Oh, I think this is flat. Not too much efforts, but yeah, do subscribe. Okay, do subscribe.